The mihi animas strataratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, SDB. We are now in the 18th Sunday in Ordinary Time. And our liturgy for today is reminding us a very important reality in our faith. And He's really presenting to us a great challenge in how we live our faith. Because in our gospel for today, taken from the Gospel of John, chapter 6, verse 24 to 35, the Lord mentioned, Amen, amen, I say to you, you are looking for me not because you saw signs, but because you ate the loaves and were filled. Baka kasi nananatili ka sa pananampalatayang ito, sapagkat natatanggap mo pa ang lahat ng iyong ninanais. Because your prayers are being answered. And you are receiving so much gift and joy in following Christ. But in our first reading, what if that you have to face so many trials and problems in life, and all the things that you are asking for is not being given to you? Will you desire to go back to your former way of life at iwan ang iyong pananampalataya sa Diyos, sapagkat hindi mo nararamdaman ang Kanyang presensya? Hindi mo nararamdaman na dinidinig ka ng ating Panginoon sa lahat ng iyong panalangin. Be careful, my dear friends, that we are basing our faith and our faithfulness according to what we receive in all the things that we are doing in our faith. Because that is not the way that God wishes us to do, to live our faith. Because we have to live our faith even though we are facing so much trials, because we are convinced that even though that we are undergoing so many pains in life, God will always be with us, providing us with all the graces and blessings that we need to face all these trials and pains in life. Kung kaya nga po, ito po yung paalala sa atin ng ating pangalawang pagbasa, to stand firm and do not desire to go back to your former ways of life just because you feel that you are abandoned. No. Live in conviction. Live your faith that you are convinced that God is with you. Because God is providing everything so that you'll be able to face all the trials and pains in life. Lagi ko nga po sinasabi, God will never remove pains and trials and sufferings in our life, because it's part of our journey. But He will always give us all the graces and blessings that we need to strengthen us, to push us, to give us hope, to face all these pains in life at makayanan ang lahat ng pagsubok na ito. And the most important thing is knowing that God is with us in this journey. Kung kaya nga po sinabi niya, do not work for something that will perish, but work for something that will last forever. Let us work to deepen our relationship with the Lord, to desire Him and Him alone, because by desiring Him and trusting Him, we will save our life, our soul that will last forever. Once again, our celebration is reminding us, saan iyong paninindigan sa iyong pananampalataya? Where is your conviction? Is it because you receive all the things, the good things in life? Or because you are convinced that even though that you don't feel the presence of God, you don't feel that He is listening, He is answering all your prayers, but you are convinced of His promises and teaching that He will never abandon us. As like in our Salmong Tugunan, taken from Psalm 78, the Lord gave them bread from heaven. The Lord keep on giving us graces from heaven to support us in this journey. Do not lose hope. Do not let go of your faith in God just because you are suffering, because God fulfilled His promise. So my dear friends, the celebration for today is reminding us to live with conviction, to live in conviction that God, even though that we don't feel Him, even though that we are undergoing suffering, He is there, providing the things that we need for us to be able to endure the trials in life. So once again, my dear friends, God bless us all.